Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to add Google AdSense to WordPress. So it's really simple. So first is manually placing your Google AdSense ad code in WordPress. So you go to Google AdSense, overview, display ads, and then go add by unit. So once you have done that, you will need to provide the ad name for this ad unit and the ad size and type. So once you have done that, you will have to name it anything. So this is an example right here, site name sidebar, and then basically you will have to now generate the ad code for you so that it will uniquely get a unit ID for you. So once you have that, you copy the ad code and then basically adding the AdSense in WordPress, you will have to actually just go ahead and go and appearance, widgets, and then basically plus button with the custom HTML widget block and then HTML, and then you just paste that basically in the custom HTML widget block, and then you grab the one that you just copied from basically the Google AdSense that we did a while ago, paste it right here, and then you add the auto AdSense code in WordPress like I've said. So you get the code in the overview, and then once you've done that, you paste it in the adding AdSense code in WordPress. And then once you have done that, you will get WP code for it's a plugin for basically your WordPress. It will manage it for you. So you paste it right there, header and footer, and then there. Basically, that's it. So once you have done that, there's gonna be additional things you have to actually verify. So this is going to be up to you now, but basically that's the general thing that you have to do to add a Google AdSense to your WordPress, and it's really simple. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.